In the dictionary, under the word versatility, there's a picture of a great big chicken. Why? Because it's versatile. You can make tacos with it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a grilled tomatillo salsa. We're gonna grill all the ingredients. We have some red onions, some tomatillos. They look like green tomatoes, but in fact, they're not. They're actually in the gooseberry family. You wanna take the husk off, and that's what you have. And it's really like a giant gooseberry. Here, look inside. Okay, so we're going to put all these in a bowl with some serrano chilies and even a little garlic, a little oil, salt and pepper. Mix them together. Let's get them on the grill. Even the garlic, just a little grill flavor. Then what I'm gonna do, just cook them in a pan a little bit more, all these ingredients. Now we're making a salsa, so we're gonna need oil anyway, so we're just gonna put a little more oil in there. And we'll let that cook. All right. Now we can make our salsa. Tomatillos, the onion, garlic, and the chilies. Lime juice. All right, so we want a lot of cilantro for this. We want this to be green. Just a touch of olive oil. A little bit of honey. Now we have salsa verde. So we have our chicken. We're gonna put some fresh cilantro on the plate. And then we're going to serve it with some queso fresco, which is like a fresh Mexican-style cheese. We have two kinds of tortillas. These are flour tortillas, and actually these are made with red chilies in them. And these are blue corn tortillas. Blue corn is probably my favorite ingredient. Flour tortillas you can just sort of throw on the grill, but be careful, they go fast. Now the corn tortillas, because they're a little bit firmer, what I like to do is just run them under water for a second, give it some moisture, and then put them on the grill. All right, let's make a taco. It's always important to try out things before your friends come over. Take a little blue corn tortilla, a little bit of chicken, some grilled tomatillo salsa, a little queso fresco, and a sprig of cilantro. Blue corn is the way to go.